everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, and today I am going to be sharing with you 8 simple and easy holiday gift wrapping. Now you know me, I am all about decorating on a budget and really creating that designer look for less. So I am sharing all of my decorating tricks so that you can create the same look in your home as well. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, and I want to give a huge thank you to wow your loved ones this holiday season. In today's video, I'm sharing genius gift wrapping ideas that will make your presents look too good to open. From chic designs to budget-friendly hacks, let's turn ordinary wrapping into extraordinary magic. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. One, add dried fruit. Dried fruit is truly an underrated holiday decoration, and if you're not looking to make a garland, place it in your presents. These presents designed by designer Maggie Dillon feature slices of dried oranges wrapper under ribbon to add a unique natural element to the gifts. 2. Use a pine sprig. Solid colored paper paired with bright ribbon and a bell trim make this gift holiday ready. Use clippings from a tree or garland to slip into the bow for merry gift-giving. 3. Wow with a wreath. Forgo the traditional bow. Add unexpected outdoor elements to your packages, such as a twig wreath tied with a festive plaid ribbon. Let them take the wreath home and use it to decorate for the holidays. 4. Wrap gifts in burlap. Burlap bags are perfect for hard-to-wrap gifts when you want to skip the box. They're easy to keep on hand, fill, and cinch with ribbon and greenery. 5. Spell out their name. Repurposed game tiles and a bit of twine are all you need to craft playful gift tags they can later hang on the tree as an ornament. To create it, simply loop a long piece of twine, then attach the tiles to the twine loop with glue, leaving enough room above the tiles to act as a hanger and a bit of twine below the letters for attaching a tassel. Make the tassel by cutting 6 small pieces of twine, gathering them together in the center, and then knotting onto the bottom of the twine below the tiles. 6. Keep it simple. Pick a primary color for your wrapping paper and a secondary one for the ribbon to give all your gifts a cohesive look. Slight variations of wrapping red paper and minimalistic white ribbon add the perfect amount of detail. 7. Go for a color block look. Mod and minimal. This gift wrapping technique relies on a variety of papers and ribbons in different intensities of the same color. Learn more about this look, plus get tips for 9 other gift wrap options below. 8. Stamp it on. Give inexpensive craft or butcher paper an artistic update with a woodblock stamp and white ink. Add the recipient's name with a white paint pen and tuck a bit of fresh greenery under the bow for a woodsy scent. And that's a wrap, literally. I hope these simple and easy holiday gift wrapping ideas have inspired you to add a special touch to your presents this year. Let me know your favorite tip in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy wrapping!